Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Welcome to this session on the financial impact of shrinkage in call centers. Shrinkage, often underestimated, plays a critical role in shaping both operational efficiency and overall profitability. It doesn't just affect staffing, it directly influences cost structures, revenue potential, customer loyalty, and long-term growth. In this analysis, we'll explore how shrinkage drives overtime expenses, impacts service level agreements, and leads to revenue loss through missed sales and higher customer churn. We'll also uncover its hidden effects on recruitment, brand reputation, and customer lifetime value. By the end, you'll see how managing shrinkage effectively is not just an operational necessity, but a strategic lever for cost optimization, revenue protection, and sustainable profitability. Let's begin by looking at the revenue impact of shrinkage, specifically missed sales and upsell opportunities. When shrinkage is high, fewer agents are available to handle incoming calls. This shortage of staff leads directly to higher call abandonment rates. In other words, more customers hang up before reaching an agent. Each abandoned call is not just a lost interaction, it's a lost opportunity to make a sale or cross-sell additional products and services. Consider this example. A call center receives 10,000 inbound sales calls each month. With shrinkage at 30%, the abandon rate rises to 20%. That means 2,000 potential customers never even speak to a representative. If the conversion rate for answered calls is 10%, and the average sale value is $100, those 2,000 abandoned calls translate into a revenue loss of $20,000 every single month. This clearly shows how shrinkage doesn't just affect operations, it has a direct, measurable impact on top-line revenue. Every percentage point of shrinkage that goes unmanaged erodes sales potential and profitability. Now let's look at the second side of revenue impact, customer churn and lifetime value. When shrinkage is high, customers face longer wait times and more frequent service level breaches. This directly translates into frustration and poor satisfaction scores. Dissatisfied customers are less likely to stay, leading to higher churn. But churn doesn't just mean losing a single transaction. It reduces the overall customer lifetime value, the total revenue a customer would have generated over their relationship with the business. As loyal customers leave, the organization must spend more on marketing and acquisition just to replace them. In effect, unmanaged shrinkage not only increases operational costs, but it also weakens long-term profitability by lowering lifetime value and raising customer acquisition expenses. Ultimately, it damages both revenue retention and growth potential. Shrinkage also has a significant impact on operational costs, especially in the areas of overtime and staffing. When shrinkage is high, call centers often struggle to meet service level agreements. To compensate, managers are forced to bring in extra staff or authorize overtime. While this may protect service levels in the short term, it leads to a sharp rise in labor costs, the single largest expense in a contact center. On the other hand, low shrinkage can create a very different problem. If workforce forecasts overestimate the amount of non-productive time, the center may end up with too many agents scheduled. This results in overstaffing, where employees are being paid but not fully utilized, leading to wasted labor spend. In both scenarios, whether shrinkage is too high or too low, the result is financial inefficiency. The key is balance. Accurate forecasting and proactive shrinkage management help control overtime costs, minimize waste, and ensure staffing is aligned with actual demand. Another major operational cost impact of shrinkage is attrition and recruitment expenses. When shrinkage is underestimated, agents are left to handle heavier workloads than expected. This often means longer hours, increased pressure, and a constant struggle to meet customer demand. Over time, these conditions create burnout, one of the leading drivers of employee attrition in contact centers. High attrition doesn't just disrupt service delivery. It also carries a direct financial burden. Every departing agent must be replaced, which means additional recruitment, onboarding, and training costs. On top of that, it takes time for new hires to reach full productivity, creating hidden costs in lost efficiency. In short, mismanaging shrinkage not only reduces morale but also inflates long-term labor expenses, making workforce stability and accurate planning critical to cost control. Shrinkage also creates serious risks when it comes to service level agreements, or SLAs. For BPOs and outsourced call centers, high shrinkage often results in missed SLAs. The consequences are immediate and tangible: financial penalties, reduced client trust, and in some cases, the outright loss of contracts. This directly impacts revenue streams and long-term business relationships. In in-house call centers, the cost of SLA breaches is less about penalties and more about perception. When service levels drop, customers experience longer wait times and poor service quality. Over time, this erodes brand reputation, reduces customer loyalty, and ultimately drives lost revenue potential. Whether outsourced or in-house, the message is clear: unmanaged shrinkage doesn't just hurt efficiency, it puts both revenue and reputation at risk. Technology and automation are powerful enablers in controlling shrinkage and improving financial performance. AI-driven forecasting and scheduling tools can predict absenteeism patterns with remarkable accuracy. By using predictive modeling and real-time alerts, managers can take proactive action, adjusting schedules, adding backup resources, and reducing unplanned shrinkage before it disrupts operations. The financial return on these tools is both clear and rapid. Most organizations realize ROI within 6 to 12 months thanks to lower overtime costs, fewer SLA breaches, and more consistent staffing alignment. In short, investing in AI forecasting and scheduling isn't just a technology upgrade, it's a cost-saving strategy that delivers measurable value in under a year. Let's bring everything together with a before and after example of shrinkage optimization. In the before scenario, with shrinkage at 30%, the call center faces a 20% abandon rate. This means thousands of calls go unanswered, leading to roughly $15,000 in lost revenue each month. Overtime costs soar to $8,000, service level compliance drops to 60%, and attrition rises to 25%, driving up hiring and training expenses. Even customer satisfaction suffers, with scores hovering at just 70%. Now, compare this to the after scenario, when shrinkage is optimized to 20%. Abandon rates drop sharply to 5%, retaining more calls and recovering that lost revenue. Overtime costs fall to just $3,000, saving $5,000 immediately. SLA compliance improves to 90%, helping avoid penalties and protecting client contracts. Attrition decreases to 12%, easing recruitment costs, and CSAT jumps to 90%, boosting loyalty, repeat business, and long-term profitability. This simple comparison demonstrates how effective shrinkage management not only reduces costs but also strengthens revenue, customer experience, and overall financial performance. Finally, let's look at the strategic financial benefits of effective shrinkage management. First, revenue protection. By reducing shrinkage, more calls are answered, which directly translates into higher sales and stronger customer retention. Every answered call is not just a transaction, it's an opportunity to build long-term value. Second, cost optimization. Accurate staffing reduces the need for overtime, lowers idle time, and ensures a lower cost per call. This creates immediate savings while improving efficiency. And third, customer loyalty. Faster response times and better satisfaction scores lead to repeat purchases, stronger relationships, and higher customer lifetime value. In essence, managing shrinkage is not just about operations, it is a strategic lever that safeguards revenue, optimizes cost, and strengthens customer loyalty to drive sustainable profitability. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.